What's up, Scratchers? Scratchy here, and today I'm going to show you how to put your very own sprite in Scratch. And I don't mean drawing, but I mean uploading from your own computer. So what we're going to do first is download a sprite. It can be an image or a GIF, whatever you want. I'll just put Stickman. And I'll download, maybe, I don't know, this image. Okay. First I'm going to save it. Save it as download.png. Good enough. Then I'll hover on this choose a sprite option and go to the option which is at the top, upload sprite. I'm going to click on it and I'll go to where I saved it. Okay, where is it? Download. And here we go. Your very own sprite, which you did not have to draw, but you uploaded it. And yeah, it works with GIFs too. You can check it out for your own. It'll have the costumes option. This is only one costume, but it'll have all the costumes in order, the way the GIF runs. Maybe I'll show you. Yes. Running Stickman. Okay. GIF. I don't know, maybe about this. Yeah, okay, that's one pretty GIF. I'm gonna save. You should do save image as. I'll go to documents. When she's saying I'm alone running, okay, great. I'm gonna save it as a GIF. I'm gonna save it in GIF format. And I'm gonna delete this. Close this. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna upload a sprite once again. I'll do. I saved it in the documents. When she says this one. Cool. And you see all the costumes are in order in here. 4 costumes. What I'll do is put the clean flag option. From controls I'll drag a forever block, which means the program will go on forever. There's no end to it unless you stop it yourself. Now I'll go to looks. Next costume. It'll change the costume. It'll go to next costume. We'll go to control. Wait 0. Let's say 3 seconds. Okay, no, wait, that was way too slow. I'm just gonna put a 0 in here. And that's way too fast. I'm just gonna put a, I don't know, what about a 5 here? No, not good. 7. Yeah, that's weird. That's exactly what we want. And you see this forever is going on forever. We have to press this stop button to stop it. Anyways, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel. I'll see you next time.